Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 6 self-practice 2b of chapter 2. Chapter name is fractions and decimals of class 7th of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 6 self-practice 2b of chapter name is fractions and decimals and topics are multiplication of fractions and multiplication of fractions by a whole number. Please subscribe my channel and like share this video more and more so that I will upload more videos according to your topics. Let's solve some questions. Now we'll solve question number 1. Question number 1 is simplify. First bit is 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Here 1 divided by 3 is added 4 times. So we can write this expression as 1 4 multiplied with 1 divided by 3. Is 1 divided by 3 added 4 times. So we can write 4 multiplied with 1 divided by 3. 4 multiplied with 1 divided by 3 is multiplication of the product of the numerator divided by the product of denominator is the product of a whole number and a fraction. Product of whole number and a fraction is product of the numerator divided by the denominator. Here multiply 4 multiplied with 1 divided by 3, that is 4 divided by 3. B 2 divided by 5 plus 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 2 divided by 5. Here 2 divided by 5 is added 4 times, added 5 times. So we can write 5 multiplied with 2 divided by 5. Product of the whole number and the fraction is product of the numerator divided by the denominator. So we can write 5 multiplied with 2 divided by 5 and 5 numerator and denominator cancel. So we get 5 multiplied with 2 divided by 5 is 2. So we get 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 equal to 4 divided by 3 and 2 divided by 5 plus 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 2 divided by 5 is 2. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is simplify. First bit A is 7 multiplied with 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 8. Product of a whole number and a fraction is product of the numerators divided by the denominator. So we can write 7 multiplied with 1 divided by 8 equal to 7 multiplied with 1 product of the numerator divided by the product of denominator, that is 8 multiplied with 1. 7 multiplied with 1 is 7 and 8 multiplied with 1 is 8. So we get 7 divided by 8. So we get 7 multiplied with 1 divided by 8 is 7 divided by 8. B 8 multiplied with 2 divided by 15. We can write product of whole number and the fraction is product of the numerators divided by the denominator. So product of numerator is 8 multiplied with 2 divided by product of denominator is 15 multiplied with 1, that is 8 multiplied with 2 is 16 divided by 15 multiplied with 1 is 15. This is an improper fraction as numerator is more than the denominator, so we have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, we know mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by denominator. Here we divide the dividend. This is 16 is the dividend and 15 is the divisor. We divide this 16 with 15. Divided 16 divided by 15 we can write 16 as 1 multiplied with 15 plus 1, where 1 is the quotient and 15 is the divisor and 1 is the remainder. So we can write quotient is 1, remainder is 1, divided by divisor is 15. So we get 16 divided by 15 is 1, 1 divided by 15. Quotient, remainder divided by divisor. So we get 8 multiplied with 2 divided by 15 is 1, 1 divided by 15. Now we solve question number third bit C. 8 multiplied with 3 divided by 4. Here product of whole number and the fraction is product of the numerator divided by the denominators. So 8 multiplied with 3 divided by 4 is 8 multiplied with 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 1. So 8 multiplied with 3 is 24, 24 divided by 4. 4 is 6. 6 divided by 1, that is 6. So 8 multiplied with 3 divided by 4 is 6. D. 20 multiplied with 4 divided by 5. Product of the whole number multiplied with product of whole number and the fraction is product of the numerators divided by denominators. Product of denominators. So 20 multiplied with 4 divided by 5, we can write 20 multiplied with 4, product of numerators divided by product of denominator is 5 multiplied with 1. So 20 multiplied with 4 divided by 5 multiplied with 1. We can cancel 5 with 4, 5 with 20, that is 4. 5 multiplied with 4 is 20. So we can write 4 multiplied with 4 divided by 1. 4 multiplied with 4 is 16. 16 divided by 1 is 16. So we get 20 multiplied with 4 divided by 5 is 16. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube